First of all, thanks for being part of this video. If you are preparing for bank exams 2025, this is your day 2 to-do list. Let's jump right into it. First task, revision of tables, squares and cubes. You already know how important it is to have your basics strong. Start your day with revising your tables up to 20 into 20, squares up to 60, cubes up to 20. This will help boost your calculation speed. Second task, the Hindu newspaper editorial analysis. Spend at least 30 to 40 minutes reading the Hindu newspaper editorial. I recommend make your own short notes of new vocabulary and current affairs. This will also help you with English and GA sessions. Task 3, daily score booster questions. Practice the score booster questions I will provide here on the channel. Try to attempt them seriously. This will help you check your progress. Task 4, complete May second week current affairs. Current affairs are crucial for mains. Cover all important second week of May current affairs. You can use PDFs, YouTube videos or any credible sources you like. Task 5, percentages classes by Kaushik Mohanty sir. Complete the remaining class of percentages by Kaushik Mohanty sir on YouTube. His concepts are super helpful for arithmetic. Now the task 6. Cover the next 10 grammar rules from Nimsha Bansal ma'am's 120 rules series on YouTube. Keep revising the old ones too. Now the task 7 is take a mock test for SBI PO prelims and then do a proper analysis of your mistakes. Identify weak areas and plan to improve. Now task 8, 10 mixed arithmetic questions. Practice 10 mixed arithmetic questions that I will provide on my channel. This will give you a good mix of different topics. Next, task 9, reasoning miscellaneous questions. Solve reasoning miscellaneous questions. I will provide them in a score booster questions. You can improve speed and accuracy in it. So that's it for day 2. Stay consistent and remember, small daily efforts will give you big results. Comment below day 2 done after you finish the list. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for daily study plans and practice questions. Let's crack this exam together. See you tomorrow for day 3. All the best and happy studying. Alright everyone, these were your practice questions for today. Pause the video, give yourself a focused 45 to 60 minutes and solve them like you are in the examination hall. Once you are done, check your answers and note the questions you found tough. That's where you need to put extra effort. And remember, consistency is key to cracking these exams. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next day's plan. Keep going. You have got this. See you in tomorrow's video.